Step 1 is scroll to the bottom of this video to the description, click show more, and click on the Canva link to go and sign up for Canva. You can sign up for free. I choose to go for the pro version because they provide a lot of premium thumbnail templates for YouTube. I suck at design, so the premium templates just make it a lot quicker to design and get your thumbnails online. Alright, so we need a topic. I've already done a little bit of research and we're going to do a video on passive income businesses. So we've gone over here to Chat GPT and we're going to get some ideas. I'm going to type, give me 10 ideas for a YouTube video on passive income businesses. All right. And this is running a fast version of GPT 3.5. And you can see here, it's given us a bunch of different ideas. We've got 10 passive income ideas, how to build a passive income stream with affiliate marketing, make money while you sleep. Some great ideas here. I'm actually going to run this again. What we might do is we'll use GPT-4 and see how different that is. All right, so we're just going to change it to GPT-4. You'll see GPT-4 is actually slower, but it's smarter. So let's do GPT-4, give it the exact same prompt. So you can see here it's a little bit slower at the output. Top 10 you can start today. Creating successful niche websites. So it's very similar. Power of print on demand. Dividend stocks. Passive income through real estate. Mobile app development. Leveraging YouTube for passive income strategies. Strategies and success stories. Oh, I like that. So we're going to take that and let's just go straight ahead here and say for number 10, write a YouTube script that fleshes out these topics with suggestions for successful channels, successful passive YouTube channels. Let's see what it comes up with. So it's going to go ahead and write our script. So it's written me a script, and the first part of the script's pretty good. It's got the introduction here, and then it's got a section on monetizing your YouTube channel. And it talks about the different ways that you can monetize a channel, either through AdSense revenue, affiliate marketing, or like sponsored content. So that's cool. We can use that. We can flesh those out a bit more. But then it comes down and it says a great idea. It says, let's have a look at some success stories. Success story number 1, niche website expert. And it talks about John from Niche Website Expert. John creates valuable content, how to build and monetize niche websites. Fantastic. There's only one problem. Doesn't really exist. If we have a look at YouTube and we look for Niche Website Expert as a channel, I did this just a few seconds ago and I can show you here there's not really any channel called Niche Website Expert, which is a problem. And that is the same for the other case studies or success stories that ChatGPT's recommended. So the concept is good, but it can't actually find real channels. So we might have to do that ourselves, which is not too hard. And I can show you how to do that. One of the key things that we want to do is find people who are revealing how much money they're making. So what we could do is look for how much YouTube paid me. Now this is cool because it brings up people who are actually revealing their earnings, and we can have a look through these for some of our case studies. So we've got a good idea. We'll be able to flesh this out. What we need to do now that we've kind of got the concept down is quickly create our YouTube thumbnail. So we'll head back over to Canva and create our thumbnail. We're back in Canva. We're going to go create design. I want a YouTube thumbnail. You'll see down the left here, we're going to have a look through here for one that we like, and we'll pick one of these and quickly put our thumbnail together. All right, so we need a YouTube logo, YouTube. Okay, I quite like the look of this one here. I've got Pro, so I can use this. Select this to include it, but I want to cut out the background and I want to get rid of this lady in it. So I'm just going to create a new page. Let's just go down to the new page so we can work on this here. One of the features of Pro, which is super time saving, is you can go edit image and then you can go background remover. And by selecting that, it's going to get rid of most of this background for us. So you can see here in one click it's got rid of everything except the lady and the screen, which is a good start. Then I'm going to click erase, and then we're going to just get rid of these extra artifacts here. And we'll just crop this photo quickly so that we can get this. So we'll say done, and then we can just crop this out. Alright, I've had to play around, and this is what we came up with. Probably not the best thumbnail I've ever produced, but let's have a look at what it looks like compared to the other passive income videos. So I'm just going to do this side by side. Let's shrink this down to about the same size. And if we have a look here, what do you think? I don't know how well it's going to do. This is all pictures of people with stuff floating around. A few of them have the words passive income on it. A lot don't. It's definitely different to the others. I think it stands out. Let's see how it does in terms of click through. It's pretty busy, but I don't know. We'll have a go. It's good for an example. All right, so let's save this one out. We go share, download. It's already got the right size for us, 1280 by 720. And we're going to download that as a PNG. Sounds good. Now that we've got our thumbnail down, we want to finalize our script. So we're back here in Chat GPT, and I like the first part, the intro here. So I'm definitely going to take that. I might just chuck this into a Word document and we can rearrange some of this. Alright, so I've got my intro. That's fine. We've got monetizing your YouTube channel in 5 different ways. We need to get rid of that bit about success stories there. Get rid of that. Then we've got how we're going to take advantage of AI. And so that's fine. We've got a little bit about the tools that we're going to use. So we're going to use, for content ideas, we're going to use VidIQ. For script writing, as we're doing in this video, we're going to use Chat GPT-4. And for video editing, I use Descript. Descript's particularly cool because you can edit the video simply by deleting text instead of using the traditional timeline, which makes things a lot quicker and a lot easier to edit. So back to our script, I want to explain about using VidIQ to do research. So I'm actually just going to grab this. Maybe we can expand it if we jump back into ChatGPT. I might actually start a new chat, and we'll just say, give me 5 points on the benefits of using VidIQ. So we got 5 great points there. We can basically copy and paste that straight into our script. Okay, next section is going to be on content creation for AI. It's going to be section 4. And we're going to talk about the fact that you can use ChatGPT for creating the content. Okay, so we've got idea generation, outlining, research, writing assistance. Wow, good tips. So we'll take that. And again, I've asked ChatGPT-4 just to list the benefits of using Descript for video editing. And I'll just pick out some of these to keep the video a little bit sharper and focused on AI. Now that we've got our script, all we have to do is record our voice into Descript. It will transcribe us speaking, and then we'll have the audio and the transcript. And then we just have to add stock footage or images that go with that voiceover, which explains the story of the video. So here we are in Descript, and I'm going to give you a quick demo of what this is going to look like. You can see coming up on the screen now, it's transcribing in real time what I'm saying. So just to give you a demo, here is our script. I'm just going to pull this over to the other screen, and we'll record this piece of the intro, and then we'll add some visuals to it. So let's have a go. Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the exciting intersection of YouTube and artificial intelligence, and how you can leverage both to generate passive income. We'll cover AI's impact on content creation, marketing, and monetization, and share some amazing success stories. So let's jump right in. So there you go. This is pretty meta. We're recording a video within a video. I feel like we're in that movie Inception, you know, where they're having a dream within a dream within a dream. We're kind of doing that here, and I'm going to show you how I'm actually going to add a little bit of Inception footage into this so we can see what's happening. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on the playhead, and I'm going to put in this slash here which creates a scene. And now that I've created a scene, I'm going to overlay some Inception footage. So we're going to go up here and we'll just see if there's a GIF or a video to do with Inception. We're going to do a search for that. Inception, and maybe there's a meme. Here we go. This is perfect. So here we go. There's a meme of Inception here. Spinning top. These are all pretty good. I think I'm going to pick this one here. It's pretty cool. So we can select that, and you can see here it's inserted that video clip into this scene, and then we can create another scene where we want it to end. So from there you just continue on, and you can edit the video by simply selecting words or parts of the or sentences that you want to get rid of, and you can hit delete, and then it automatically deletes that out of the timeline below, which is a fantastic way of editing rather than having to cut, splice. The other thing that you can do is you can just grab things on the timeline and drag the words along and get rid of any gaps, which is also really cool. It's got some cool features where you can put studio sound filter on and it will get rid of all the background noise as well. So once you've got that done, you export the video and you add the thumbnail, and you can see some of these, well, pretty much all the videos have been made with Descript with different methods of some I've filmed myself showing my face. Others, like these initial ones that I did, these are all voiceover and adding stock footage or screen capture footage clips. You know, this one's done 5,000 views, 18,000 views, and it's just used that exact same method. And that's how you can start building videos with AI. And these videos really do take off. You know, some of these got like 80,000 views. So let me know what tools you use and how you went in the comments.
Sit down. Can you sit here? Sit. You're crazy.